Hi friends, now let us take up ninth program in our CFG series. In this, I am introducing a new element. This is declaring and displaying a string. So far, I have introduced three types. One is int data type, second one is float data type, third one is char data type. This is meant for storing whole numbers. This is meant for storing real numbers. Char is meant for storing a single character. That we learned. So far, in our previous programs, wherever some name is required, we are using single character. Suppose char name is a, like that, even grade, like that we are defining. But it looks odd because names means any name you take, it is a set of characters. It may be Arjun, it may be Anil, it may be Anand, it may be Rahim, it may be Balu. Any name if you take, it consists of a set of characters. So for that purpose, what we have to declare, which is the right type, string. String is the right type. But C does not provide string type, no special type for string. Actually, C views a string is a collection of characters. So you have to declare it as a collection of characters. Now, how to declare a string? First, I show you. Here, type is char only. Suppose a name, you want to declare a name. Then if it is meant for single character. But what you want? You want multiple characters. Multiple characters. Then you have to declare it like this. In this, don't expect 10 characters. 9 characters only. 9 characters only you can store. That is the limitation. That point you have to, if you want to store 9 characters, you must make it 10. 10 or above also, 11, 12, 13, 20 is declared. But you should not make it 9. Suppose, let us take a name Mohan. Mohan. Then, what size you are supposed to give? You must give 6 or more. Why it is required? Of course, you need not go in detail, but as a thumb rule, just learn. Actually, in order to store that, what is required? For each character, one byte is required. Actually, last byte is null. Null. Actually, where string ends, C does not know, C compiler does not know. That's why where a particular string ends, a special character is there, that is null. That is backslash and 0, null. That you need not do anything. C itself stores it. Whenever your string is over, whatever extra bytes are there, they all are filled with null character. C compiler will do that, don't worry. Your duty is, if you want to store 5 characters name, you must give 6 or more. More you can give. You need not count and go. But only thing is, it should be at least 1 character more. Mohan is required. You may declare 6 or 10 or 12 or anything. That precaution you have to take, otherwise it leads to error. Only that point you have to take care of. Okay. Now, generally give 10 or 15 or 20, give nothing wrong. So, 10 I have given. So, 9 or below. Any number of characters you can give for this name. And if you want, you can initialize it also. Arjun. You can initialize it also. But already we have started interactive programs. Because of interactive program, we can read the names, we can read the strings from the keyboard. That's why hereafter don't initialize. Don't initialize like how you declare into float and char. In the same manner, wherever name is required, name or title or some text, if wherever you want a string, then in this fashion you declare, and this thing size, as far as size is concerned, you have to take care of. Then otherwise you purchase headache. Minimum 1 character extra should be there. That point, simple point, easily you can remember that. And one more thing you have to understand. For int, what is the conversion specifier? D. What is the conversion specifier for float? Percentage F or percentage G. If you don't want trailing zeros and all that, you can do that. Next, what is uh, conversion specifier for char? Percentage C. As far as string is concerned, %s, %s, both for scanf and printf. This is also both for scanf and printf, scanf and printf, scanf and printf. String also %s, lowercase s is the conversion specifier for string. That this is the new information you must note down, and in this program we are going to implement. And here one more limitation you have to understand. When you are reading a string, single word only you can read. If you read multiple words when occurs, suppose Arun is there, no problem. Or big name Vishweshwar, no problem. But it is single word. Suppose if you want to enter Arun Kumar, then what happens? One blank space is required. Whenever you type a blank space, means space bar, then inside string is terminated. That's why when you are reading a string using %s symbol, always take care of it should be one word name, single word name. Once you press space bar, then automatically some mess up happens. What mess up happens also in this program you can see. But only thing is how to overcome also I'll tell you. I am here. First you have to encounter the problem and you have to identify the better thing. Then in the next program you can find the alternative way. By that, wherever you want to enter multiple word strings, not only names, any string, then suppose Python all clear, C all clear, 2 words are there. In such case and all that second in the next program, whatever I am going to explain, that you can use. And in this program, you are going to use single word names. That point you have to understand and proceed. Now I explain the program. Here, first one is a name, second one is address. Actually, for both of them, and sizes are very important. 10. Name 10 I have given. So, you should not give any single word name above 9 characters. Below 9 characters you give. Now, suppose 10 characters is reserved. Suppose Arun. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then all these are filled with null characters. Don't worry about that. You need not see them. Okay. But here 10 characters if you use, problem will come. Because there is no room for storing null character. And whenever you enter a spacebar also, problem is there. That's why subject to these limitations for this program, what to do? Name also, name and address also, single words only first enter. And thereafter you enter multiple words. What is happening you have to see. Okay, problem you have to see. Okay, now we see. Here no header file, no special header file. Now name 10 means 9 characters you can give maximum, and address 30, maximum 29 characters you can give. You can give 5 characters also, no wrong. Okay, thereafter enter name, prompt statement. Enter the name and what we are using. Carefully observe. Scanf %s. Here you need not give ampersand symbol. Ampersand symbol is not required. If you give also nothing wrong, but C compiler automatically provides that. That's why as far as strings are concerned, you need not give and address of name. Okay. Next one, address also same way. That is also another string. Thereafter you see the output. I have given Arjun. There is no issue. I have entered Bangalore. There is no issue. Any single word names you enter, how much bigger it is, subject to the limitation of size, then it works. But instead of Arjun, after this, one more run we make, then Arjun Kumar you give. What is happening? You see that. That you see, I need not explain. Thereafter, for address also, multiple words you give. What is happening? You see. In order to avoid that, what is the way out? I show you in the next program.